ExpressCard 3000. Installing and removing. Rear indent ribbon cartridge. The EC3000 can perform indent printing on the rear of cards if an indent ribbon cartridge is loaded. Before you begin installing or replacing the indent ribbon cartridge from the EC3000, open the top access door by using the key and lifting up on the handles. On the touch screen, navigate to Menu, then Maintenance, and under Bottom Indent Cartridge, press the Unload Cartridge button. EC3000 moves the indent cartridge transport to the outside of the embosser. To remove the used indent ribbon cartridge, press the orange release button next to the cartridge and lift up toward the ceiling to remove it. Set the used cartridge aside. Before you begin replacing the indent ribbon cartridge, locate the accessories kit box and open the new cartridge from its packaging. Orient the indent ribbon cartridge between the orange release button and the embosser, so the orange arrow on the cartridge points towards the orange release button. Insert the cartridge by pressing firmly toward the floor until you feel a click. Return to the maintenance menu and press the Load Cartridge button. EC3000 loads the indent ribbon cartridge into the embosser and locks it in place. Press the Status button to return to the status page. You may now close and lock the ExpressCard 3000 top access door. Installing the new rear indent ribbon cartridge is complete. Check out the MAGTEK YouTube channel for more ExpressCard 3000 videos.